Hey guys, I'm very excited about OnePlus's launch event and I guess you are too. The event is scheduled on April 14th, it's gonna be an online only event. You can tune in for the global event livestream on YouTube at 3 PM UTC. In my previous video I said that it's gonna launch first in China, but according to new official Weibo post, it's gonna launch in China on April 16th. That means the global launch is first and then in its home country. In this launch event, we are only expecting OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. The 8 Lite aka OnePlus Z is expected to come in the later part of the year. But since I have already told you most of the things there is to know about OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro in my previous video, so in this video we are going to go through OnePlus 8 Lite, or what we now know as OnePlus Z. Firstly, Max Weinbach stated that the OnePlus 8 Lite could actually be called OnePlus Z, as a spiritual successor to the OnePlus X from 2015, which was a budget alternative to the OnePlus 2. This handset would likely be for fans who are put off by the fact that OnePlus phones are slowly getting more and more pricey. The sources refer to it as OnePlus Z and said the hardware matches the previous OnePlus 8 Lite renders. The OnePlus Z will have similar front design to the Samsung Galaxy S20 series phones. It will have a bezel-less AMOLED display with a punch hole cutout in the center, whereas the rear of the phone will have glass panel along with a vertically mounted camera setup. OnePlus will go for a high quality display, and according to previous leaks, it will be a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus flat AMOLED display, and it will get a refresh rate of 90 Hz. Since this is an AMOLED display, there could be an in-display fingerprint sensor on this phone as well. To power the phone, OnePlus could rely on MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chipset. This is a flagship grade chipset from MediaTek that supports 5G and offers performance that rivals the likes of phones with Snapdragon 865, Snapdragon 855 Plus and Exynos 990. This will be for the first time OnePlus will rely on MediaTek chipset for one of its phones. To help with the performance even further, OnePlus will also throw in UFS 3.0 storage and LPDDR4X RAM. There will be Oxygen OS based on latest Android 10, and OnePlus could offer up to 3 years of updates. OnePlus could also use 4000 mAh battery on the OnePlus Z, and it could come with the same Warp Charge 30T technology. However, chances are that OnePlus could use lower charging speeds to keep the price low. OnePlus will apparently include 3 rear-facing cameras. There will be a 48 megapixel main camera paired with 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. The front camera is expected to be a 16 megapixel lens that we have seen on previous OnePlus models. As of now, the OnePlus Z is set to price in the sub 30,000 rupees segment. There can be a base variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage that could possibly be priced close to rupees 25,000. Whereas the top end variant with 256GB of storage could be priced close to 30 or 32,000 rupees. So what are your thoughts on OnePlus Z? Would you like to buy this or go with the regular or the Pro variant? Comment your thoughts below. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.